stays mainly in the plain, or so the scholars all explain. With lifted brow and careful tone, they claim the phrase is widely known. But every drop that taps the pane goes pa-pa-padaba again. Repeat it slow, repeat it right, let every vowel shine tonight. Say it again, again. Don't rush the strain. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. A merry little musical refrain from every roof and window pane, and sings a bright and bouncy strain. You la la, you la la, hear the rain. Pa-pa-padaba once again. Say it proud, say it plain. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain. A lady tries with hopeful grin to roll the sounds upon her chin. Ah, and I and A again. The teacher taps his silver cane. Pa-pa-padaba. Soon every syllable takes flight, a proper phrase pronounced just right. And through the room like sweet champagne bubbles the sound of Spain and rain. The rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain, a twirling tongue twist to entertain. Through every street and narrow lane, it jingles like a bright refrain. You la 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 la, pa-pa-padaba in the rain. Sing again, sing rain in Spain stays mainly in the plain, a twirling tongue twist to entertain. Through every street and narrow lane, it jingles like a bright refrain.